Welcome to Easy Way for Education. Plus 1 Economics Chapter 9 ആയ Environmental and Sustainable Development എന്ന ചാപ്റ്ററിന്റെ ഫോക്കസ് ഏരിയ ബേസ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് നോട്ട്സ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Environment and its functions. Total planetary inheritance and the totality of resources. It includes biotic and abiotic elements. Functions. It sustains life, it assimilates wastes, it supplies resources, it maintains aesthetic services like scenery. Major environmental issues: air pollution, water pollution, global warming, ozone depletion, land degradation, solid waste management, etc. Air pollution. This is a major environmental problem. The major causes of this problem are heavy use of motor vehicles, industrialization, deforestation, etc. Water pollution. Like air pollution, the water pollution is another major issue of environment. Reasons: dumping of solid waste into the water resources, flow of industrial waste into river and other water sources, heavy use of chemical fertilizers in the land. Results: spread of waterborne epidemics, harmful effects on living organisms, lack of pure drinking water. Global warming. Gradual increase in the temperature of atmosphere is called as global warming. Recently, global warming is a serious environmental issue. Major reasons for global warming includes deforestation, emission of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, industrialization, heavy use of motor vehicles. Result: biodiversity loss, drought, forest fire, ocean acidification, migration of animals, melting of polar ice, rise in the sea level and flood, harmful to human body. Ozone depletion. What is known as ozone depletion? The damage of ozone layer of atmosphere is called as ozone depletion. This is another form of environmental issue in the world. Causes: industrialization, heavy use of CFC, HFC products like fridge, AC, etc. Results: biodiversity loss, harmful effects on human health, especially skin diseases due to ultraviolet rays. Land degradation. The degradation of land is an important environmental problem. The causes for land degradation includes deforestation, heavy use of chemical fertilizers, encroachment to forest land, natural calamities, soil erosion, faulty cropping system. Definitions of sustainable development. The definition of UNCED, that means United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. Sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Definition of Edward Barbier. Sustainable development as one which is directly concerned with increasing material standard of living of the poor at grassroots level by increasing real income, educational services, healthcare, sanitation, water supply, etc. Definition of Herman Daly. To achieve sustainable development, the following needs to be done: limit the human population to a level within carrying capacity of environment like a small line of the ship. Technological progress should be input efficient. Use renewable resources. The use of non-renewable resources should not exceed the rate of their creation. Control pollution. Strategies of sustainable development. Use non-conventional energy sources. Use LPG, gobar gas in rural areas. Use CNG in urban areas. Use solar energy through photovoltaic cell. Use wind power. Promote traditional knowledge and practices. Support mini hydel plants. Promote organic farming. Promote afforestation. Control overpopulation. Avoid affluent consumption of the society. Use non-conventional energy sources. Conventional energy sources are exhaustible and not eco-friendly. So, promote non-conventional energy sources to support sustainable development. Use LPG, gobar gas in rural areas. In rural areas, majority of the people are depending on firewood for fuels. This may be resulted to deforestation. So for sustainable development, we should promote the use of LPG and gobar gas plants in rural areas. Use CNG in urban areas. Compressed natural gas is eco-friendly. In Delhi, motor vehicles are highly using CNG to control air pollution. So, in urban areas, we should promote the use of CNG for sustainable development. Use solar energy through photovoltaic cells. The use of solar energy promotes sustainable development. Such energy source is eco-friendly and cheap in cost. Use wind power. Wind power is renewable energy source, so it promotes sustainable development. Promote traditional knowledge and practices. Many of us traditional knowledge and practices in our life are helpful to protect the environment. So such traditional knowledge and practices should be promoted. Support mini hydel plants. Comparatively, mini hydel projects reduces deforestation. So such plants should be supported for sustainable development. Promote organic farming. Organic farming is an important strategy for sustainable development. Our conventional agriculture depends on high dosage of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. But this method of production creates many harmful defects to livestock. It depletes our resources. It is not at all eco-friendly. In this situation, we need an eco-friendly farming. The eco-friendly farming by the use of biofertilizers and biopesticides is known as organic farming. In the organic farming, we use biofertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers. This is called biocomposting. Similarly, we use biopest control instead of chemical pesticides. Merits of organic farming: protects environment, maintains ecological balance, provides nutritious food, promotes exports and earns foreign money, helps to sustainable development, increases fertility of soil, cheap cost of production. Problems of organic farming: inadequate infrastructure, problems of marketing, yields from organic farming is less than modern farming, production of season crops is limited in organic farming. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഫ്രണ്ട്സുമായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.